Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on AlmaLinux 9.5. But the process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. The default web browser that comes with AlmaLinux is Firefox. Open it, go to Google, click on, then search for download Chrome. Hit enter, then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For Alma or Red Hat or Rocky Linux, we have to select this 64-bit RPM. So click on accept and install. See, download started. See, its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. CD, go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the RPM package. So install it, sudo rpm -ivh no deps, then give the Google, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, Google Chrome version is 134. It is a stable version. Ignore these errors, but we have installed Google Chrome. Go to show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select the checkbox. If you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross refers to Google, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want either of them. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Then click on don't sign in. It is up to you. Got it? See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay. ls. So we have successfully installed Google Chrome. So remove this file. rm give Google, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome on AlmaLinux OS versions. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.